So as a DIY guy, sometimes we've got to take a lot of things into consideration. And one of the things here that I'm about to show you is heat. So in tropical North Queensland, during the summer months, we get monsoon storms and our temperatures can range from 30 degrees Celsius up to 35 degrees Celsius and beyond. So 95 degrees Fahrenheit. That creates a big problem sometimes with our working times and the times that we've got to work with the resins and how long it takes for it to start to get tacky and gel off. So what happened here is basically the resin, I mixed it at 1.5%, which is what I typically always do, and it started to tack off, which meant that the glass itself was sticking to the roller and wanting to lift off the roller. Air was getting underneath it and causing me all sorts of grief. I was having a lot of problems. But I got over it. I had to push the air out towards the edges, just keep working with it, keep rolling it. If I had some more resin in the bucket, I could have just dipped that roller into the resin and wet it out a little bit more, but I didn't mix it enough for this particular scenario. So that's what's happened here, guys, is I ran into a problem. Hopefully, if you guys are in cooler areas of the planet or whatever, then you're not going to run into this problem. You'll have different MEKP percentages and all the rest of it, and the way that you work with it might be a little bit different. But yeah, on this particular day, there was a problem. I sorted it out. It was a little bit of a tough one, but the whole reason for me talking about this now is to show some people, things go wrong. And I thought I'd put this video and make this video so that I can show people what can go wrong, so that you can learn from it, learn from the mistakes. I'm going to do a few of these, and I hope you might actually get something from it for all you DIY guys out there, I'm not afraid of opening up about my mistake. So if you're going to take on a DIY challenge, just keep in mind that things are going to happen. There's typically always a fix, especially when you're working with fiberglass. You can work with it, you can make a mistake, you can cut it, grind it back, redo it, whatever's needed. But, in this particular case, I was able to work through it. I got it done, and that's all I really needed. So, I hope you learned something from this. My intention is to keep it real and show you some of the things that you're not going to see anywhere else, like the mistakes and the problems that can occur. So, keeping it real, guys. Alright, hope you got something from it, and I hope you enjoyed. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.